Welcome back! Lesson 3, Sentence Structure with Adjectives. In English, the basic sentence structure is subject plus be verb plus adjective. Example, she is beautiful. In Tagalog, the most natural structure is predicate plus subject. There's also a more formal structure, subject plus I plus predicate, which is equivalent to the basic English sentence structure. Predicate plus subject, conversational or the most natural way. This is a structure you'll hear in everyday speech. Examples, maganda siya. She's beautiful. Maganda means beautiful, and siya may mean he or she. Matalino siya. He or she is intelligent. Matalino is intelligent, while siya, again, is he or she. Malaki ang bahay. The house is big. Malaki means big, ang is the, and bahay means house. Notice, the adjective comes first. This is the default conversational pattern. Part 2, subject plus I plus predicate. This is the formal or easier English translation. This is mostly used in writing or formal speech. This structure mirrors English grammar, which makes it easier to understand each part. Example, siya ay maganda. She is beautiful. Siya is she, I maybe is, are, or and maganda again is beautiful. Ang bahay ay malaki. The house is big. Ang bahay is the house. I is in this sentence, and malaki means big. While correct, Filipinos rarely use this in daily conversation. The predicate plus subject form sounds more natural. Part 3, negative sentences. Use hindi before the adjective to make sentences negative. For example, hindi siya maganda. She is not beautiful. Hindi means not or no. Siya again is he or she, and maganda is beautiful. Next, hindi malaki ang bahay. The house is not big. Note here in the first sentence that the placement of the adjective is hindi plus pronoun plus adjective, whereas the next sentence is hindi plus adjective plus the subject. The key rule here is that if the subject is a pronoun, the sentence structure should be hindi plus pronoun plus adjective. Whereas if the subject is a noun, it should be hindi plus adjective plus ang plus noun. Formal structure for visualization. Siya ay hindi maganda. She is not beautiful. Ang bahay ay hindi malaki. The house is not big. In the formal structure, since the subject always comes first, the hindi word always comes before the adjective. Part 4. Making adjectives stronger. In Filipino, we have intensifiers like napaka, which means very. We also have sobra, which means extremely, with ang plus the root word of an adjective. Examples, napakaganda niya. She's very beautiful. Sobrang saya ko. I am extremely happy. Saya is the root word of masaya, which means happy. Ang ganda niya. She's so beautiful. Again, ganda is the root word of maganda, which is beautiful. Ang bait niya. He or she is so kind. Bait is the root word of mabait, which means kind. Ang laki ng bahay. The house is so big. Laki is the root word of malaki, which means big. So, to summarize everything, predicate plus subject, that's a conversational or natural way in Filipino. Subject plus I plus predicate. This is the formal one or is used mostly for writing or for easier English translation. The word hindi makes sentences negative. Use napaka, sobra, or ang plus the root word of an adjective to make your sentences stronger.